Family has always been a driving force in my life. My husband Wayne and I got married in June of 1969 at the ages of 19 and 20. In June of 1978, we moved into our home and raised our family. I drew the original floor plan myself, visualizing the sizes of rooms by counting ceiling tiles, which were 1 square foot in our rental home. Then I could determine how we used the space and how big each room needed to be. Our new $45,000 home was built by Garganus Builders, someone we knew and trusted. We omitted the den originally drawn on the left side of the house to save money. It would be almost 20 years before we could add that room that I envisioned from the start. Wayne's Uncle Jim gave us a large lot just a half a mile down the road from where Wayne grew up in our tight-knit community of farm life. My daddy, Virgil Lilly, was a heavy equipment owner and operator and had the lot cleared for us. Our daughter Valery is excited about her room, which is behind her. We visited the site often to see how our home was progressing. The bones were coming along. Moving day in June of 1978 finally came. I showed Jeremy his new room at the top of the stairs, and Wayne helped set up things in the kitchen. And my granddaddy Lily didn't miss a moment of the excitement as he helped us move in. The original Peel place in 1978 was, as designated by a neighbor, a box. A 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath Williamsburg-style home with tan cornerboards and red shutters and double red front door. We were so excited to move in. And here is the Peel place in 2024. Through the years, we went through 2 major renovations, one exterior and one interior. In fact, we won honorable mention for exterior renovations in the 1996 Better Homes and Gardens magazine competition for home improvements. Our home has continued to evolve as our needs and styles changed. Join me in succeeding videos as I share the story of our home through all the changes.